Blockchains are much like cities, each with its unique features, perks, and ecosystems. There's Ethereum, a bustling hub for innovation, Solana, known for its lightning-fast transactions, BNB Smart Chain, a center for decentralized finance, and many more. All these blockchains are so full of potential, but the problem is that they've always been isolated entities unable to share data or leverage each other's resources to improve the experience of its users. That's where Wormhole comes in, breaking down the cross-chain barriers and creating a world of interconnected blockchains. So, what is Wormhole? It's a message passing protocol that enables communication between blockchains, making them interoperable and enabling them to transfer their resources and data. This interoperability goes beyond just cross-chain crypto transfers. There are endless possibilities that can be explored, like cross-chain decentralized applications, multi-chain governance, and even the highly anticipated cross-chain gaming. All of these and more becomes possible with Wormhole. How does Wormhole work? Wormhole's working principle is centered around a network of validators called guardians. Essentially, a blockchain or application sends a message to Wormhole in an effort to move data to a destination chain. Once a majority of the guardians approve, Wormhole securely transfers the message to the destination blockchain. It's fast, secure, and innovative. Wormhole isn't just about moving assets and data. It's about breaking down borders and building bridges to connect millions of users across the blockchain world. If you're ready to hop on the Wormhole Express, visit wormhole.com today to get started.